Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are, now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping the big button at the center, the shutter. We can also move up to this small button to change speed of our slow motion. We are in 32, we can pick also 8 and 4. So by sliding it we can manage it, and let's stay on 32 now because I want to show that when we again move up to the center button we can turn off and turn on motion detection. So this is kind of extra thing from the device that can improve our slow motion recording. So let me keep it turned on and let's start recording now to show you how it works. Now we have to wait to detect the motion and save our video. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play it by using the center button. And this is how slow motion video with speed 32 and motion detection looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.